Guilty on all counts. The suspect in the murder of two young girls in Delphi, Indiana, is now a convicted killer.
Our Dane Placco was at the courthouse with reaction to the dramatic decision.
The 7-year nightmare here in Delphi came to a close this afternoon after the jury deliberated for 18 hours over 4 days following a trial that lasted 4 weeks.
Yes, oh my God, yes.
There was elation and joy in this small community mixed with tears as the jury found 52-year-old pharmacy tech Richard Allen guilty on 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of murder while kidnapping. Prosecutors say Allen is responsible for the brutal killings of 13-year-old Abby Williams and her friend, 14-year-old Libby German, who disappeared while on a hike at the Monon High Bridge Trail in Delphi in February 2017. Their bodies were discovered the next day. Their throats had been slashed. Prosecutors say Allen is the person captured on this grainy 43-second video taken by Libby, showing a man trailing the girls, then heard ordering them to go down a hill. A key piece of evidence in the case was an unspent bullet that was found between the girls' bodies that prosecutors say had been cycled through a gun owned by Allen. They also pointed to multiple confessions to the murders made by Allen while he was awaiting trial in solitary confinement at a maximum security prison. But defense attorneys argued those confessions were made under duress, that Allen was mentally ill and suffering from psychosis caused by that solitary confinement. And they argued to the jury that there was no strong physical evidence linking him to the case. After the verdict was read in court today, the judge extended the gag order in the case until sentencing.
Judge Gall has not lifted the gag order, so we're not going to be able to make any type of public statement at this point.
But Delphi residents say after 7 long years, a weight has been lifted from their shoulders.
I believe that this town had a lot of love that was waiting for this day, and we are one again. Tonight we'll be able to go to sleep knowing that we're all safe again.
And it's vindication for local law enforcement and the FBI, who were criticized for taking 5 years to make an arrest.
I hope it's a healing time, that maybe the law enforcement really took a beating over this, and there needs to be healing for them in the whole community.
As they left the courthouse, Allen's wife told reporters, quote, "This isn't over at all," indicating they may plan to appeal the guilty verdicts. Sentencing scheduled here for December 20th. Allen could be sentenced to up to 130 years in prison. In Delphi, Dane Placco, Fox 32 Chicago.